Alright, what's good, y'all? We back with another video. It's not Do the Dash, but it's a little sneak peek of what's to come. So we got my boy Big Deal here, _392. I've been checking him out on Instagram. He been hitting me up. I've been seeing his build, and I can tell you it's been a long journey out. Like literally everything I seen him do to his car, I was like, damn, that shit look tough. So now we got him here on the channel. He been wanting to get on the channel for a long time, so now I'm here, and then we gonna get to talk about his Charger real quick. So we can, wherever you want to start at, we can walk around it.
All right, well, we're gonna start with the new addition to the car. This interior.
I'm no big credit.
Oh yeah. He went with the blue guts.
Those are the three.
So what made you go with the blue guts? Go, you can open up.
Well, you know, I had the cloth, which is crazy that you pay this much money for SRT. They dropped the cloth seats on you, so I said, let me go ahead and get these things leather. And look how they turned out. They turned out great. I'd recommend anybody to get these done, man.
Yeah, I like it. I definitely like it. I was like, woo. You know, you see everybody usually do like the red guts, the tan, the burgundy. Yeah. So blue is definitely different, and then go with the car as well too. So that's definitely, I like that. I like the way that look.
Hey, you go to Leather Seat Pros and get them $804 if you have a Charger Challenger. They'll take care of you, man. I got a spot, you know, in Riverdale. They'll take care of you for $1,000.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah. And with 315s all the way around with the spikes, you know. Got the KNG splitter. You know, I'm still building, man. You know, appreciate everybody. Oh man,
he going ham over there.
He is going ham, man.
There you go.
Oh, really?
This video ain't about him right now, though.
He trying to make it about him, though.
But yeah, so I like that. So what made you choose the green?
Not, you know, just off the top of my head, so let me just be different. You know, I was gonna try basically black, maybe white lettering. And I said, let me see what this lime look like, and boom, hey, the lime works for me. Yeah,
you
know,
I like it. Definitely,
I love it, man. I'm not mad about any of the moves I'm making so far in this car.
Yeah, you've been doing good, bro. Like I said, I've been checking everything out on Instagram. I was like, yeah, this man every day this man got something new to the car, like literally. But I was like, man, what?
Yeah, Groff Designs, Wicker Bill.
Okay.
Yeah, he hooked me up with that. The Icon Motorsports rear diffuser, the full cat back from Thermal R&D.
Okay.
Full cat. Got the long tube headers coming next week.
Oh man.
With the catted mid pipe.
Oh,
it's gonna be sick next week.
Oh yeah, so yeah, when we do the official Do the Dash interview, it's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be
it's gonna be crazy. That's what's up.
Yeah. All
right, so look, we got a nice little insight of what's to come, man. We gonna lock in that Do the Dash interview, and it's a nice sunny day. I wish we could do it today.
Yes, indeed.
But we got a lot more people coming out. We got Modern hit me right there. You see him? We got me over there. Hey, what's up?
Unnecessary, bro. Show you that necessary, bro. Like, we've been sitting up here, even my coworkers said, I just seen him. Good God, that's a daggone Benz. I said, yeah. She said, what he got in that?
AMG got the crackle pops.
Kellogg's gonna have that snap crackle pop.
Sharp. I do like you got the door panels.
Yes. Oh man. Do the Dash looking kind of nice, man. The roster looking kind of crazy.
Oh man, all right.
So like, what do y'all do? Like, where y'all work at? Like, what do y'all do?
I'm a car salesman at Oarsman, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. Somebody need a Dodge? Come on down.
And then
I
what
need a Hellcat, Scat Pack.
y'all do?
I work for State Highway.
Okay.
Construction inspector.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
And then what about you, bro?
I'm a contractor for Washington Gas.
You serious? Or you?
Yeah.
I don't know. By their reaction, I don't believe.
I mean, technically, this is contractors.
Well, look, but they basically they work hard for their shit. You feel me? And then I was just making I just made a video about if you work hard, you put your money right, you know, you build your credit and shit like that, you can get the car that you want. So, and they all around my age too. They like 20, 23, 22, and I'm 23 too as well. So like, it's possible, but that's what's up. And you used to have a RT?
Yeah, I had an RT.
Yeah, so
bolt-on.
for real?
Yep.
What happened to you? Just didn't want to trade it in?
Yeah.
That's what's
I was tired of getting walked.
You ain't think about going to Pro-Charge, Supercharge route or
I
not?
was thinking about it, but
Fuck it. Wasn't worth it.
for 7 bands, then you got to pay installation.
Mm.
That wouldn't work. And that's before I got this, I had the money to get it.
Mm.
I had the money to get the Pro Charge, and I was like, I don't know. Dude traded this in. I was like, fuck it, let me go ahead and grab this. This is the slightest bit of work. Downpipe, $300. Tune, I'm walking Scats right now.
That's what's
Leaving
up.
Scats.
And then how much do you get this for?
26.
20. Oh, that's not bad. Jeez, I got mine.
Payment cheaper, insurance cheaper, everything.
That's what's up.
The only thing you run into is maintenance might be a little more, but
Because of the
German shit.
yeah.
you gotta maintain it though. It'll run forever.
That's what's up.
Give me a nice little nap before work. God damn!
How we got
Look
kicked
at that!
They redoing the roads anyway.
Rubber, man.
Yeah, I got you. Thanks, man.
Adios. Spinning down the whole way. Jeez, how we got kicked out of the Baseball Stadium?
Right.
So between injections and that's already fucking 37 miles. Now you got about a pool.
SRT, boom, man. Hellcat, red eye.
Everything I want to do is about 7.
Oh, you got some stickers on there now.
Oh, that's from the track.
Oh.
Yeah, Friday. Everything I want to do is about
Grizzly Marty over there.
about 8, close to 8. But it's like, I got the money, I can do it. I don't want to spend the money. Like, fuck, I look at my
Yeah. Cool day. We was just chilling, man. A little video just to hang out, talk some things. So many things planned for this year, man. This weather is beautiful. I'm about to get an interview coming up real soon, so I'll catch you on the next one.
Oh, yeah, now.
Like, comment, subscribe on that fancy stuff. I'll catch y'all later.